Over time, almost every laptop becomes slower, applications take longer to open, multitasking feels difficult, and these simple tasks start becoming frustrating. Many people believe the only solution is buying a new laptop or upgrading hardware. But in reality, most slow laptops suffer from software and system issues that can be fixed easily. In this video, you'll learn how to make your laptop faster without upgrading hardware. Let's begin with one of the biggest causes of slow performance: startup programs. When you turn on your laptop, many applications automatically start running in the background. These programs consume memory and processing power before you even open anything. Disabling unnecessary startup apps can dramatically improve boot speed. Check your system startup settings and disable apps you don't need immediately after login. Next, let's talk about storage space. A nearly full drive slows down system performance. Operating systems need free space for temporary files and background operations. Try keeping at least 20% of your storage free. Delete unused files, old downloads, and duplicate media. Cleaning storage often produces instant performance improvements. Another important factor is background applications. Many apps continue running even when closed. These hidden processes use system resources continuously. Check activity monitors or task managers to identify heavy applications. Close or uninstall software you rarely use. Now let's discuss software updates. Updates are not only for new features, they often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Keeping your operating system updated helps maintain efficiency and security. However, restarting after updates is equally important. Temporary system processes accumulate over time. A simple restart clears memory and refreshes system performance. Next, consider browser optimization. Web browsers are among the biggest performance consumers today. Too many open tabs and extensions slow down laptops significantly. Close unused tabs and remove unnecessary extensions. Clearing browser cache also improves responsiveness. Visual effects can also affect speed. Operating systems include animations and transparency effects that consume resources. Reducing visual effects improves performance, especially on older laptops. Power settings also matter. Many laptops run in balanced or power-saving mode by default. Switching to performance mode allows the system to use full processing capability when needed. Now let's talk about overheating. Heat reduces performance because processors automatically slow down to prevent damage. Ensure ventilation areas are not blocked. Cleaning dust from air vents improves airflow and performance stability. Another helpful step is managing background syncing services. Cloud storage applications constantly sync files. Limiting sync activity during heavy tasks improves responsiveness. Security software can also affect performance. Ensure you are using trusted and lightweight protection tools. Running multiple antivirus programs simultaneously may slow the system. Now let's discuss uninstalling unused applications. Many laptops accumulate software over time. Unused programs occupy storage and sometimes run background services. Removing unnecessary software frees resources. File indexing and search optimization can also help. Allow your system to finish indexing processes after major updates. Interrupting indexing repeatedly may cause slow searches. Regular maintenance is key. Spend a few minutes monthly reviewing installed apps and storage usage. Preventative maintenance keeps performance stable long-term. Let's summarize the most effective steps. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Free up storage space. Close background processes. Optimize browser usage. Reduce visual effects. Maintain proper cooling. Update software regularly. These steps require no more hardware upgrades but can significantly improve speed. Your laptop already has the power you need. It simply needs proper optimization. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone struggling with a slow laptop. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next How to Tech Guide.